everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Disney Solitaire app won't open on your phone. Even opening the app may require an active connection, so test your Wi-Fi or mobile data by visiting or opening another website or another app. Then swipe up or go to the recent apps, then close the Disney Solitaire completely, wait for a while and open it again. Then turn your device off, wait 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Disney Solitaire and update if available. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then, if it still won't open, long press on the Disney Solitaire app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store and reinstall it to remove corrupted files. That's how to fix the Disney Solitaire app not opening. Subscribe for more game fixes and guides.